Some people today have ate witchcraft without knowing. While some people, when they eat in the dream, you simply transferred your blessing to somebody you do not know. Because just like the way Esau transferred his birthrights to Jacob by food, a porridge, a plate of porridge. That is the same thing they are using in the spiritual realm to have you transfer your own blessings to them. When you collect food from somebody in the dream, listen, most times you don't know that person. Most times it's person you know. Sometimes you don't even understand what discussion that led giving you food for you to eat in the dream. All you know that they gave you food, you ate the food, and that is it. What they have just done is have agreement with you. They have just had agreement with you. Just the way Jacob and Esau had an agreement that Jacob will give Esau a pot of what? Porridge. And Esau will transfer his inheritance to him. And Esau said, please give me food, let me eat. One has to be alive before the person will talk about a blessing, meaning his birthright. And now Jacob gave him that porridge. And that is how spiritually Esau lost his inheritance to Jacob. So the spiritual realm, they are using the same system, whereby they will meet you in the system, in the dream. They will meet you in the dream and they will have conversation with you. I will give you food, while you will give me your blessings. Some people, through food they eat in the dream, have given out their blessings. Through food they eat in the dream, they have given out their children's blessings also. They have brought commotion in their marriage. So stop eating in the dream. And for you to stop eating in the dream, all you need to do is this. Get a transparent cup like this with water. Water, drinkable water. As you wake up from that dream when you have ate, take a cup, a transparent cup. You say, I vomit every evil food given to me in this dream. I vomit it, you put the water. Three times. Okay? Do it. You vomit it back. And you reverse everything. And you reverse everything they have taken from you. You restore every blessing that is coming to you. From today forward, so shall it be. That is after you have eaten in the dream and wake up. This simple thing you just did have reversed everything. Because it's the same mouth with which you eat that food, it's the same mouth with which you promise them that you will give them your blessings. For you to stop eating in your dream, get a water also, transparent cup, with 3. 1, 2, 3. Seed of sea salt. See as inside, before you sleep at night, use it. Wash your head and your face. Put it in your mouth. My mouth cannot eat any evil food in the dream tonight. My wife cannot eat any food in the dream tonight. 3 times. Then use the remaining. Wash your head and your face. Say anyone that is giving people evil food for their blessing, that's from today, you cancel it. They will not see you tonight. And when they see you, they will not recognize you. Nobody will recognize you to give you evil food. Then get our 7th dimension prayer book. Open, if you have it already, open to page 26. Read the prayer points first, and part 1 and prayer point part 2. That is, you read 26, page 26 and 27. Read it every night and pray it every night before you sleep. So if you don't have this 7th dimensional prayer book of the Temple of Light, then DM me. We'll still have it in soft copy, okay, so that we can give it to you. After you are done this, you will recover your marriage, which is destroyed through eating in the dream. You will recover your finances. Your relationship will come back. Because if you have divorced your spiritual husband and it is gone, and now they are coming to give you food in the dream to eat, through that place they will enter you and destroy your marriage, destroy your relationship. So by doing this, you have destroyed them forever. You will live a better life. See you on my next video.